Oh, and my mic was off the whole time. Oh. Ah. Hello. That's hilarious. Okay. Alright, so we got some music. We got my mic working. Okay. Yeah. Check. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Okay, so the last thing we were trying to test, I had built like some states. So the state machines are a thing, so like I'm trying to go between these state machines. What's the pass thing? The pass thing, actually, I think we want that. The pass states. So like we wanted the... Did I kill the dab thing? Or does the other one have it? Yeah. So yeah, give me that back. For now. Like... So the dab one was 0, I think? Oh, 0? Cool. Check. Alright. Wait, that was going to be 1 there? Yeah, okay, cool. So let's see if that plays. Oh yeah, I gotta turn up the autoplay on this thing. Cool. Song, turn that off. Yeah, there we go. That's all it takes. Alright, cool. Buttons still feel good. So we need like a side... So we need our up down and our down up, but we also need like a side dance, like a... crisscross or something like that. Literally maybe the crisscross. I wish I could say that this was a project that like combined my love of dance. So this is just like another project. Alright. It'd be really great if I had like a long history of dance, but I have a short history of some dance. Alright, cool. Delay 2 seconds and pass through. Conduit, I think, actually is the problem here, right? Yeah, so the state machine can't pass through. So the question is, what's going on with that? So the anim graph in the state machine, neutral, can pass through. This one can pass through on the pass, which is becoming ready 2 seconds later. So maybe I don't understand the conduits the way I think I do. Yeah, I think maybe that's it. I don't understand conduits. And I think both of these need, like, it just needs to be 3, basically. Last one, not it, clearly. Cool. Hmm. So that didn't seem to really work either. What's wrong with that? State machine. That's on the pass. So that should transfer over. So I think that state machine is going through. I'm just not getting that pose 0. So the dab pose, that's pose 1. That's what it is. So there's nothing to pose to if there's not a... There we go. Hey, what's up, Wolfjacks? Good to see ya. Wolfjacks, were you here yesterday when we were working on this game and we were having I made a machine that dabs, basically? Oh man, it's been good stuff. It's been real good stuff. Oh, my iPhone's overheating. What's that? They're going to be doing motion capture. Whose emote is that? I like that. That's your emote? That's awesome. I like that emote. Okay, so the beginnings of the up, down, left, right, but not the rest. Does it work still? Oh, no worries. We're well beyond that now. We got like a pretty nice working thing. So like the game works now, which is cool. Yeah, that feels good. Oh no, I'm losing. Alright, cool. I'm trying to think if I want to keep this random generator, or I want to do something else with it. Alright. So the thing to do now, though, is we need to send that data over from this thing. So whenever we get the, input action on fire, I think this should be a separate thing. So this should be like, this is like test hit for, I guess this ended up being used for a bunch of stuff. So custom event, test hit for pucks. Cool. Then there we go. And then run that in here. And then we could just run this straight to the test hit for pucks. I'm gonna make a little sequence first. Test hit for pucks. Alright, cool. Ah, wait, no, I mean, I need to do something else now. So the thing I want to do here is I want to get, what one of the last lines of code I wrote. Oh, maybe I never did. So get object of class. Get actor of class. And I want to get the hero character. So hero dancer. I'll promote that to this. I'm going to go dancer. Then every single time we do one of these, I want to scan, hit scan, and I want to get the dancer. And then I want to, what do I have hooked up here? Event direction. Hi, where is the screen? Fair! Oh my gosh, we're so scuffed today. So bad. Totally fair. Great question. I just got started and just was like, oh man, I gotta code real bad. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Here's the screen. I was trying to show Wolfjacks what I've been up to, and you probably saw nothing then. But welcome, Knickknack. Thank you so much. It's really hard to make games and stream at the same time. So, wow. My mics were off at the beginning of this, and I'm in rare form today. I'm in good shape. So here's what we got so far. Yeah. There we go. So there's the actual game. Wow. How long was I just live, just broadcasting myself looking at a screen? That's hilarious. Dang it. Alright, cool. So that's what we're looking at today. Oh my gosh. Hey, thank you. Thank you, Knickknack. We're making our way here. I'm gonna try and make myself dance today. So we're gonna do a little motion capture in a second, which will be really fun. Actually, I don't know if that'll be possible in my small, tiny little studio room here. I might have to show you guys just the virtual version of that. But event direction. Thanks for following, Knickknack. Sometimes when people follow me, I have a little watch in my hand, and it shows a little cinematic with your name on it, but it's not working it today. A statement of the wonderful world of Woody's thoughts. Yeah. Nope. Just me being a ding-dong. Just me being an absolute ding-dong. Who even says that anymore? That's definitely a phrase I picked up from my parents. Ding dong. There we go. So the direction. Oh, actually, we want to send this to the anim instance first, and then send that here. There we go. All right. Connect these two, and then now we're good to go. Okay, so let's try something new now. So when the dab hits, the dab doesn't hit till we hit a button. Yeah, cool. There we go. So good to know that that's working. What I want to do is every time we get a change in direction, we switch between two different states, and we can just kind of flip-flop it, I think, actually. So originally I was going to do it through this weird little system. But I think I'm going to get the direction, and then I'm going to flip-flop based on this. That's not a flip-flop. Pyro 240, what's up? Hey, what is up? We're making a rhythm game today. Thanks for joining. So what we're gonna do here is delay. Like, we're just gonna like kind of turn this on and off briefly. It's kind of a janky way to do it. Like, I wish I could just press like. It's very good. I know you from YouTube. Oh, cool! You found me through YouTube stuff. Awesome. So if you like my YouTube stuff, did you find a tutorial or did you find a fun video? If you found if you know me from like some of the cool projects I've worked on, this will be a fun thing for you. If you know me through some tutorials, then great, this is also good. I'm making a project right now, and I think it's going to be really fun. I'm putting myself in a dance game, and I bought a dance pad this morning. So pass 2 here, I think is going to actually be what we're going to set. So the pass 2 will basically every time we do a switch, we're going to go between these different animation states. So the animation states here, we want to like hang out at them as long as possible. And Unreal crashed for some reason. Classic Unreal Engine. Oh, you saw the to-do list RPG? Oh, that's a wonderful video. Yeah, so right now I'm making a game it's a rhythm game, but I put myself in the rhythm game. And also, there's going to be a lot of surprises in this rhythm game before we're done. Okay, this is the second time my Anim blueprint has caused the crash, which is really weird because I feel like it should be more stable. We shouldn't have this much trouble. Please, please, please. Nope, gotta recode all that stuff. Absolutely frustrating. Did my game manager get like any better luck? So you to play it with some extra hardware stuff? Yeah, I bought a dance pad. I'm hoping it'll work. So get Anim instance. Super frustrating. Super frustrating. That's an annoying crash. It was like I wasn't doing anything special either. So we're gonna go direction, message. Here we go. Direction, message. There we go. That's it. And then we'll pass the target direction along in towards. So an actual dance pad, though, should be a pretty fun way to do this. Yes, just keep saving. Thank you very much. So we'll set the direction, and then I had pass, and I was going to make a duplicate. So this is going to be pass 2. Oops. Set. So flip-flop. What this is going to do is just send it between 2 different states. I'm kind of redoing everything I've fixed so far today, aren't I? It's okay, we haven't gotten super far yet. So, delays. Just like a brief thing here. Like even quicker, I think, honestly. So we don't want to get caught behind the inputs, but we also don't want to just like have the character like spaz out a ton. Which is nice because the states will kind of really help with that. So get that in here. Cool. Nice, and let's see what's in those states. So yeah, last time I just tried to like access the transition on the tab and it just disappeared, so Here we go. Let's see what this is. This is actually correct still somehow. Yeah, okay. And let's make sure in the code for the regular... the event graph here. Okay, yeah. It's weird what got saved and what didn't. So this is the pass. And then it should be a recurring thing. Promote to shared. Pass 1. And then it should be you shared pass 1. And then this is going to be, these two are going to be neutral. This is going to be pass 2. So pass 2 gets clicked. It gets Elo, hi! Played Phasmophobia and died every round. Oh no. Yeah, I won't play Phasmo. That's a terrifying game. I don't do spooky stuff so well. I'm not a very spooky guy. I'm sorry you died so much. I feel like part of the contract with ghosts and spooky stuff, I think that's a ghost game, right? You got like a ghost in that game. It's if they're allowed to kill you, then it was all good and fun. Nice. If they they gotta leave somebody alive, right? Otherwise nobody knows they did anything. Right? How do we know that there were ghosts if nobody lived to tell the tale? So at least one person's gotta live. I haven't played Phasmo, maybe that's how it works, but it seems to me, you know, it seems to me like it's for ghost PR if they're always just killing everybody. So it's gonna be pass 2. Pass 2. So I guess they all get different colors. Alright, so past... I think... Pass 2 is going to happen if it comes back with the direction was neutral, I think? Yeah, it's just set to neutral. Then, so there should be like sort of an idle state that like moves with the beat a little bit. Oh, my cat is meowing. All right. Cool. Hold on one second, y'all. Got a client hitting me up about a problem at the moment. Hold on one second. This might come back. Just making sure that everything's taken care of. You gotta take care of folks. You just gotta take care of folks. It's still weird to me. There's some really glitchy stuff going on here. Like, why are all of these... I've never seen this before. Why are all of these no color? Super weird. And then they're back. Like, it just came back. Get direction. So if the direction is neutral... And actually, let's find out if that is a direction. Alright, directions. We need one for neutral. We need neutral, and we need horizontal and vertical. And this will be great. This will help us a ton. Yeah, UE5 has some bugs. It definitely has some bugs. Unreal doesn't always crash on me, but when it does, it's because I did something very normal. Okay, so direction equals enum neutral. Yeah, cool. What does VTuber mean? I'm doing this stuff, don't do strictly. No worries, you're totally good. So a VTuber is streaming with a virtual avatar like I'm doing right now. That's kind of the idea anyways. It's like, you know, here's me and my thing. It's a lot of, typically a different style than what I do. So like, the stereotypical VTuber is a little bit more like anime, Japanese animation inspired. Oh! Hello! Oh, we just got a raid! Hello, Angel. Bonjour! Bonjour, mes amis. I'm trying to think if I can pull out some more French. Bonjour, mes amis. C'est bonjour pour la formation de video games. Peut-être. Je peux parler français un peu, mais juste un peu. Welcome to welcome to my stream. We're building a rhythm game today. Let me get a little shout out for Angel. Here, let me get that up. But hello Raiders, hello Raiders. So I know that most of y'all are some French-speaking Twitch members, but if you had caught me maybe like 5 years ago, I would have been able to keep in sync pretty well with that. So I like to learn things. I like to learn a lot of things. First thing I want to learn, though, I did learn some French, but I also want to know what y'all been up to. Were you guys? I know Angel's been playing some horror games. Like I think y'all did like some Resident Evil yesterday. I think. What have y'all been up to? We're also, you guys want to see something cool? Yeah, here we go. Alright. Alright, so we're making this little dance game. Yeah. It works! That's awesome. The thing it needs to do, though, is it needs to switch between different kinds of dance move states. Currently, it's just... Dang it. I'm doing badly. There we go. It's just switches between the dab and some terrible dance move, but this is a lot of progress, actually. So, currently it's just set up for these poses that are just like to test my animation state. This is the first time I've seen it with the little guy animating, with my VTuber animating, and that feels great. You've been watching some. I'm dying. I'm just gonna die. It's fine. Watching some your Unreal VTuber stuff. Not sure I've watched the last ones. Interesting though. Oh, cool. Well, I'm happy you're here. I'm glad that stuff helps people. I'd like to. Oopsie doo. I'm gonna try and not die. Stop dying. I can't chat and not die. I build games that are terrible to play on stream. I did, however, just buy a dance pad today. That was maybe a dumb idea. I don't know, but I did do it. Thanks for the follow, Morning Stark. It's like the only dance moves are dabbing and T-posing. Well, that's like an A pose, but the T-pose, it's okay. So I do a little, like, I did all the modeling for my character. Like, I do a little bit of 3D art too, and it's really funny when people talk about like the T-pose for dominance, because as 3D artists, we've been like using T-poses for years. Like, T-pose is like just a default pose in any game engine. Like, I remember, like, I had never heard anyone say that, and then like one of my friends was like, "Bro, you can't just be T-posing for dominance." I'm like, "What are you talking about? I'm just showing you a model I made. What are you talking about?" But yeah, so that's it. That's what we're up to. Is we're making this game. This is my third Twitch-enabled game. One thing we had talked about that would be really fun for this game is to like have chat be able to generate the directions for the controllers, which that would be just the best. So actual dance moves with each correct input being perfectly transitioned to make a choreography. You should imagine that way, because the next thing I need to do is do a little bit of motion capture so that I can have all of the different dance moves be translated by like into basically I'm going to actually do motion capture because I can do motion capture in Unreal, and I'm going to do a lot of the dances we need. I'll start with some stock ones, I think. I'm going to just like I thought I said yeah, you did hear me say that I wasn't going to do it, because I was going to just do this goofy like pose-based dance thing, but I realized that that's not really as fun. There's definitely an actual T-pose meme. So I'm going to open up my project file where you can see my, my actual VTuber here. I wish I still had I wish I had enough French in me to continue. Like, I wish I had retained enough of my French skills to just continue doing the entire, my, whole thing here. That'd be awesome if I could, like, do both. Stream in either. So, yeah, here's my little world where I normally stream out of. And, yeah. I have enough French with the mustache. I mean, French people can have mustaches. I guess that's sort of a stereotype, I guess. I don't know if Angel is still around to be able to follow that one up or not, to tell us. But, yeah, it's a thing. It's having a mustache. It's definitely a stereotype. Character here. I should be able to find a bunch of animation assets. And these, it's been so long, I'm not sure exactly where they're stored. So I'm just going to open the reference viewer and find, oh wow. Shouldn't I find more of these? Compression settings, okay. So I'm gonna go browse to this asset. So what I have is I have a whole bunch of these, right? I have a whole bunch of these takes. So if I grab animation sequence, I can use this to find some of my better dance moves over the years. So we'll test with some various dance moves that are on loop, and then we'll make some, I guess, for the game. That isn't a dance move. That's a dance move. That's definitely a dance move. It doesn't look amazing, but I'll take it. It's loopable. You know what I mean? Like, why work any harder than you got to? Yeah, that looks fun. Is that a twerk? That's like, I don't know about that. Yeah, that's a dance move. Maybe I was right. Maybe we don't need to do mocap. Maybe I've done enough mocap. Yeah, it seems like maybe I've done enough. It could be fun though. It could be fun to do some more. That looks weird with the hands. All of these so far have been like pretty golden. That was a jump. That was sort of a weird one. That doesn't look great. Nah, not that one. Honestly though, I can just port them all over though. There was that. That was cool. That was cool. This is just raw mocap data. This isn't like, none of this is cleaned or anything. That's a move. That's definitely a move. I don't know what I'm doing here. Like holding a football? Am I holding a cell phone? Yes, I think holding a cell phone. Yeah, we're not going to do any cleanup on this. We're just going to shove it in the game. Yeah, okay. I remember. I was taking a selfie on that one. Oh, this is cursed. Oh, this is cursed. This is like recorded. Alright, we're gonna include that. We're gonna include this. This is great. This is great. Alright, so it was before this, and then like everything before 11? Wait, hold. Yeah. I might not be able to do multiple. Interesting. I want to like be able to do a selection here. But it's not letting me select. Huh. Alright, come on. Alright, do I have to migrate them one by one? That's pretty lame, but it seems like I gotta do it. Ragdoll physics makes for some nice dance moves. Yeah, you can just record the ragdolls, which is fun. So, the content folder here? And then I'm gonna hit no all, because I don't want to replace any assets in the process here. And, yeah. So I guess I have to do this every time. So migrate, and then select no wall. And then everything before here. Be like faster if I like made it one called like dance moves or something. So content, assets, characters, animations. Wait, no, that's. I didn't mean to make a new folder. Go away. Please. I didn't mean to make you. Delete. Yes. Yes, go away, please. I'm gonna make a folder in here called dances. And my keyboard just died. Awesome. Love that. Keyboards just, they died. I don't get any notifications from my keyboard. It's a nice keyboard, but I would love to know if it's just gonna fail me. You need a keyboard to make games. I think. It's like hard to read the little thing on the side too. Alright, I've got it plugged in now. Should do that. There we go. Ah, there we go. Something always goes wrong on one of these. Alright, there we go. So, now when I go back to our... So, our... Where were we? Cinematics. I look at animation sequences. All of these recorded ones. I think I'm just going to pull them in to that folder called dances. Copy here is fine. Copy, just keep copying them. This will be way faster than migrating everything. Copy here. And then the rest of it was all like the cell phone video. Cool. So we're going to use these because all of my dances are perfect. So we're gonna migrate. Now I have them in one place. What's the localization do? Okay. Select. No. All. So we can close this project now. We got what we wanted out of it. Although while we're here, we could record a couple more dance moves. We'll say, yeah, we could. So let's just do it. Let's make a new level and put a little open world here, and let's just fire up the VR gear and give it a go. Because I do need, like, you know, I do need a dab and stuff, anyways. Also, chat, I'm gonna need your help. I don't know that many cool dances. I'm gonna need some help coming up with some cool dance move ideas. think I might be missing one of my notes here. I'm gonna sound a little distant for a second. It's because I'm gonna be getting my act together. Gonna be putting on my trackers right now. Let me see. Can we film me doing the dances? Kinda. Give me 1 second. I think we'll be able to film this. Alright. Alright. Now I might have to step away from certain parts of my computer. So I have a portable keyboard that I can use to start certain things. Yeah, alright, cool. So I can click around on this thing. I don't actually want to do that. I want to avoid that, and I want to be able to just click this button that starts the mocap. Rest of my VR gear on. Sorry to leave you hanging here, y'all. I guess I'll use the BRB screen just because it's so visually confusing what I'm doing right now. But I'm just getting suited up. It does take a second. I'm using a Vive tracker system. For those unfamiliar. Well, that's my right elbow, not my left elbow. Got it on my left elbow. Wrong place. Everybody could see me too, so see if we can get the webcam up. More visible place. Yeah. All this good, all nice and set up for you here. You guys can see what the heck I'm talking about, see what the heck I'm doing. Yeah, it's... That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Alright. Here's a little sneak peek here. Let me get this, belt on. I'm missing my head strap, but I just found it. Get all this stuff on. LiveLink XR source is going to come on. So far we only got a couple things on here. Put these out. Put stuff out where all everything. Okay, left elbow. Got my left elbow. Just need some feet. Good. Left elbow? Yeah. Power on the left elbow. Power on the right foot. I think I can get all this stuff. We are indeed going to have to do this. We are indeed going to do some mocap. So let me grab my iPhone here. We're going to have to use the face solution. It is all charged up. So I'm going to put it on our head rig here. I'm doing mocap in my living room, it's really hard to see to my computer. So like maybe I'll just use I'll just pull Twitch up on like an iPad or something like that, and I'll be able to see like the whole thing. It's probably hey, what's up, Amber? Sorry if you guys can't hear me too well when I step away from the mic. Let me switch the mic source. We're doing real life mocap in my real life apartment. A little bit of an IRL stream, but had to be done. Advanced audio properties? It's not even that. I need to just like add another one to add a audio source. lurking or editing. I was right about the Tosh. What am I referring to? New audio input capture. We'll grab it from the microphone here. And that. I haven't seen it light up yet, so I don't think it's making any sound.
So cut over and then check. Properties. Active. Maybe if I'm like using a default. Good. There we go. Sorry for the double mics. There we go, okay. You guys should be able to hear me okay now, yeah? Great, cool. It's not as good because it's the webcam quality, but we're gonna do something really weird. I have my iPad here, and we're gonna open Twitch, and I'm gonna watch my own stream so that I can tell if my vocab's good. That's so funny. Okay. So my channel. Alright. I'm wearing the worst. I gotta mute this. I'm wearing like the worst pair of shorts for this ever. It's like oh gosh. It's so bad. Alright. I forgot that I looked like forgot what I look like. Oh my gosh. See the least fix my hair. Oh, this is funny. Okay. Let's fix my hair and the ridiculous smoke cap leg. This is funny. Alright, there we go. Okay, so put the mocap rig back on, and I'm going to actually change things so I can see my screen on the stream. Oh, Steve, hello. Yes, RTX indeed. RTX indeed. So hold on, we're going to go back to this. And instead of a little VTuber down here, got a little VTuber here who's not streaming anything. We're gonna actually, here's what we're gonna do. So now I can see what I'm doing. Probably a little better if it's over here. It just works. It just works, baby. It just works. Okay, cool. So if I step back out here, it looks like a lot of my mocap sensors turn back on. And then this one's just gonna hang out here on top. It's totally fine. I don't think it's gonna jostle, so I think it's good. Anyways, so okay, that's good. All of my sensors are lighting up except one. That's probably gonna sort itself out automatically. Looks like it did. Yeah, it did. Nice. So now all my sensors are working. I need to just throw my character into the mix here. So this is using my custom motion capture setup here. Where is he actually? VR tracker. Actually, if I put him in here, the default is for this like scary looking mannequin rig. It's just terrifying looking mannequin. But It's because I'm like, I'm trying to like use this rig generically sometimes. So where's the good one with the new blend shapes? There we go. There we go. Cool. So theoretically, this will work. Hey Jerry, what's going on? Doing a little bit of a RTX live stream. So, okay. I mean, I guess, so we need to switch this. So we need to switch this over. So my face isn't here. Cut this over so that my live link goes to a different computer. And then, why is my guy invisible? What's happened here? To make sure the sub character is not turned on. This rig is designed to be able to host other characters. So I gotta turn this on. Like, yeah, turn this off. This should just be the only thing I have to do. And then, here we go. See? Hey, look, I'm talking to you I'm in the game now. I'm in the game. I'm in the game now. There we go. And I want like a stand for the iPad so I can see, you can see my vibe trackers moving around. Kicking the thing around. I wish I had a way to live blur my face on Twitch. That would be very cool. Hey, he in the game. I am in the game. Fully in the game. Should have thought about my outfit today before I did this. Alright, so... And I need my portable keyboard. I came in here for something. What did I come in here for? Oh yeah, I was looking for my, I don't think it's in here. I was looking for my freaking... This is why Code Nico doesn't do anything on stream. It's just like, hanging out. It's like, hey guys, we're gonna really do the mocap today. We're gonna do it so good. We're gonna do it so mocap-y. That's not how she sounds. That's how I sound. But I'm just trying to. This is cool. This is something I 3D printed. I have an iPad. So I needed a stand for it, and I didn't want to spend a bunch of money, so I just made this in CAD, which is really helpful and cool. So we're gonna take this whole thing here, then actually lace this over top of my here. Okay. So I'm gonna stand this iPad up right here, and I've got a monitor. Yo, so here's the thing, chat. I don't do that much dancing. Alright, oh, here's the other thing. Syncing is going to take a very long time. Because I have all of the lag to see, like, first off. You can see. So I'm just watching through Twitch. I don't have, like, another monitor set up. Alright, so that didn't work. So I gotta like figure out what's wrong with that. Probably just like not clicked into the scene. Hopefully not my controllers too are broken. I've been having trouble with the index controllers. They've been giving me a hard time. Like when we're trying to get him to work when I was working with Pumpkin, didn't really work. Okay, well, that's disappointing. Just trying to refresh the bindings, see if that does anything. Or the best thing we could do also is just like get SteamVR so that it's running on. I don't even know what that error is. Get actual class. Let me just try like running this in VR mode real quick. And then, cool, errors from who knows what. Oh, I know what's going on. I think. Ah, we were not controlling the right character. So this needs to happen. We need the world settings. What's the name of the thing here? It's not game mode base. You gotta change the game mode. Virtual characters. There it is. Cool. So with the game mode being correct, it should change a lot of things. Ah, yes, it does change a lot of things. Look at that. It's much more correct. There we go. Great. So, this will it work? It will. All right, great, cool. This will work. We are going to get mocap. We will get the mocap. We will get the mocap. So, the thing I need to do, though, that's tricky about this, we do need to do it in the engine. And we do need to run the tape recorder. I was thinking to myself, don't just do the mocap. It's no big deal. It's not that hard. It's going to be fine. From actor, add via tracker aligner. Nice. Cool. So if I leave my mouse, if I like play my mouse, play the game, select here, then you like then how are like some of these are actually being seen from the other room, which is wild. Kind of between two different rooms, which is kind of what makes this complicated. So I need to like be clicked into the scene, and then I need to like align with all the trackers. This is so complicated. Wow. If I just have like a TV in the other room here, it'd be really good to go. Okay. Not bad though. Wait till I do it so you can see myself T-posing. Because it's Twitch feedback delay. And then press the little button. I can actually see how long it takes you to see this chat. Nice. Okay, cool. I'm going to move my left hand and my right hand. First the left and the right. Yes. All right, great. Cool. That lines up. That checks out. Let me see this in big screen, actually. I'm trying to check out my alignment here. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright. So I gotta get back to it. I gotta kind of sit still for a minute. Wait very patiently. I gotta turn a little bit here. Nope, that's in my crotch. That ain't it. There we go. This is a really roundabout way to do this. I'll move my extra monitor next time. Just gonna put another monitor on the project. The dances may be cursed on account of this. And I'm missing a tracker too. Is my elbow on? Alright, sweet. So I'm guessing I'm pretty close, so let's just give it a go. I should be mocapping now. Let's see here. Wait for it. Yeah. All right. Great. Cool. Ladies and gentlemen, we have mocap. Turn these. Oh, that's not good. Well, that's kind of a problem if the pelvis doesn't move at all. What's going on here? Everything moves with the pelvis? That's not good. Okay. Well. That's very powerful. Let's see. That's really, that's not good. So we need to figure that one out. Otherwise, we gotta use a lot of pre-made dance moves that are not very good. Not great. Alright. I hope I can fix this one quickly, because I hope it's just sitting in the code. There's like 3 different places that this could be going wrong on us. Alright. I'm back at my regular mic. Gotta remember to fix that. Oh boy. Whew. I don't feel the power. Y'all are talking about feeling the power? I don't know what y'all are talking about. So, one thing that happened though, is that the, like, we did change a tracker out at one point for like a battery reason or something. So I should have all of these guys on. Some of these are going to die soon, so that's great. Just what I wanted in a mocap session. Ah, this is so bad. All right. Come on, Woody. Come on, Woody. All right. It doesn't help that it looks like a base station is off. Is there not a base station, or my index not in a great place? My index is not in the room. Probably not. Doing some index stuff to this guy. Don't ask what it is. And I think I got maybe just the wrong tracker in. So like this directory here, but down here you can't see it actually. I'm editing something that's underneath the webcam layer. There we go. So down here I have programmed this thing called the directory, which is, so chest, we're gonna find pelvis. So what we need to find out is this, if this C42A is the correct tracker. That's our first mission, first avowed intent, is to manage trackers, and then we're going to find out, manage trackers, here we go. So the one that we originally called waste is off. So this one, this one that's just pelvis, the L42A. So wait, this is, what does this say? This says, can't see all the names here. C42A. With A? 6.5, search the 6.5.
Yeah, because I think it's not on here, and that's the problem, right? So we have this new one that's a waste. It's that we can use, and I think that's the issue, right? So it's the E4A7. Let's just, yeah, it's the E4A7. Yes, okay, great. That should be the only problem here. Did I miss the power of the T-pose? Captain Steelpants, you haven't missed much other than me just, like, trying to use Twitch as an external monitor to, like, to line up my pose system here, which is not, like, the funnest thing ever. I need to, like, plug my TV in so I can see a mirrored display. That's something that could be cool, but it's a 4K TV, and I'm scared it's gonna make everything worse. So, try this again with the trackers. See what we can get. Oh. Alright, let me turn my webcam stuff back on.
Alright, there we go. You should be able to hear me better now. And RTX mode on. And keep those for several minutes, started glowing and everything. Yeah. The power. The power. So let's grab True Effects. Those are all things that definitely happened. And, okay. Let's see, what else do I need here? I need more hand trackers. Need to start the thing. The problem of, like, doing this in another room just kind of messes everything up. I might decide to do this back in the office, but I want the range. I want to dance. I want to dance. So we have the VR tracker aligner, playing it, N key here, turn my controllers back on, and press the V key here, see that it's ready to pair. Okay, sweet, it's ready to pair. So we're just gonna get back to where we once were for a proper pairing. And let's see. Yeah, I'm not in the right spot. That was wrong. Now we're looking at my butt. I need like a more immediate feedback source here. I can use the TV. Maybe just, yeah, I'm just going to use the TV. I'm going to set up my TV in here so I can see my mocap source. That's what this is turning into. Note to self, you were right. This is taking way too long and it's kind of ridiculous. Alright. Time to grab a long ass HDMI cable. Let's hope that it can successfully not screw up the stream too. I don't really try using like unplugging, plugging monitors and stuff during stream. That's sort of a new thing. For all I know, I'm about to dox myself. So we're going to run this HDMI feed, and then, honestly, we're going to do this, set it up kind of behind the first, I'm going to wait it, not worry about it afterwards. Run it. unproblematize the cable. Kind of run it underneath the desk setup over here. And it's kind of a silly thing to do with the head mounted stuff on. And I'm going to plug this guy in. This is tricky, but maybe it'll be worth it. This feels very dumb with my head-mounted camera. Turn on. Let's take that off. I'm underneath the desk, chat. I'm underneath the desk. Woo! All right. Woo! Got it. Nice. Nice. Now we can see, maybe. Let's find out. Probably my displays are about to change. The displays. Display. Extend desktop to this display. Duplicate desktop 1. Desktop on 2 and 3. Okay. Well, what if I do? What are you doing under there? Welcome, Fatless. We're doing some desk duty. Well, it's I'm no longer under the desk. I am in fact trying to duplicate. I just want like one of them duplicated. Like it's wants me to extend desktop with this display. Duplicate desktop on 2 and 3. Duplicate desktop on 1 and 2. I think that's what I want actually. All right, I just changed it. We'll see what happens. OBS kind of freaked out. It's okay, OBS. There we go. All right, cool. That's great. That's great. That's great. So we're going to switch up over here. Instrument 1. Hey, there we go. That's mocap. Ow, this hurts my head. Headset's quite comfortable, but when you put a GoPro mount on top of it, not as good. All right, cool. And now I have everything now, so I can see chat on my iPad. I can see I have it on my cursor. Lost my cursor. There we go. There we go. All right, cool. Finally it's time. This stuff is like not a problem with my mocap. It's a problem with having like 2 different rooms. All right, here we go. Here we go. So we're halfway there for this. One of these guys turned off. Which one is it? It's the head. Probably the head. That's it. There we go. All right. So chat. I need dance suggestions. So. Kind of adjust this guy here. I look like Mac. There we go. Is my headset almost dead or something? Is it just dying? What's happening? Yeah, it's dying. All right. That's not great. So the head is dead. Don't love that. Means I gotta power it. Probably a lot of these are on their way to dead. But I may be able to do some sneaky stuff. That might help with this. I'm gonna like, it's just the endless amount of stuff today. Just the endless amount of stuff. Because we need it for a dab. We're gonna do a dab, like, man. Where is my little pouch with the batteries? There we go. Little pouch with some chargers on it. We'll do the trick. I have like a better cable extension for this. Everything else still on. Feet, elbows, chest. Oh, just the head stuff. It's like, this is the level of dedication that I have to this art form. I'm going to be using a power cable to power my head while doing mocap. There's no good place to put this cable. I do not know if I can dance while doing this. But I'm guessing like it's like I could put it in my shirt. And then yeah, I could put it in my shirt. And then we can know for sure whether or not it's going to connect again. So let's see, let's check our track devices. All right, so I'll look at my tracks over here. Everything is back online. One of them's being charged. It's this one. All right, cool. Do you know the Macarena? That's a great idea, Lo-Fi Bob. Endless things that I do for VTubing. Wow. Just, it's crazy, the things I do for VTubing. All right, there we go. Just kind of tuck it in my man bra. And, all right. Now we're good. Now we got all the pieces. Right, left. Cool. We're gonna get, instead of buying it, wait, what is this? What is this? And this is the elbow? Okay, so the elbow needs to go out further. I need to like, there's like some drag on the head part. can't believe it. This is. Whew. Okay, this is definitely going to eat some development time. But it's working though, right? So everything's good. So stand on top of it. Closer. Over. I'll be just in the right spot. All that stuff lining up perfectly. Hold your head high. You're not looking at your shoulders, so it doesn't calibrate that way. And done. Already I'm looking down. I'm looking up. Well, at least I got facial motion though. Looks like my feet are sliding a little bit. Oh well, it'll be fine for the dance. The no cleanup mocap situation. Look at this. Why am I like hunchbacked? There we go. That's what's nice about the vibe tracker is like if something is not calibrated right, you can kind of just cheat. Yeah. All right, there we go. Here we go. It took us a long time. We finally got it. Oh, is there a raid right now? I can't tell. Wait, did somebody just raid? Hold on, I gotta go back to my computer. Ah. Outside Yonder, welcome. How's it going? We're just doing a little bit of motion capture over here. Doing a little bit of a motion capture stream. We're doing some dances, so if y'all like dances, like, I'm here to please. The thing that's weird about this is like you end up like thinking about dance differently. You're like, I would never do some of these dances. You know? Okay, so like, I think some of my foot tracking could be a little bit better. There we go. Yeah. You gotta kind of watch it a little bit. It's not perfect, but now's the time to shine. Like, shift space, get my mouse free, go into the tape recorder. And just start this bad boy as soon as we're ready. So the Macarena was suggested. Yeah, welcome on in. All right, so the Macarena was suggested. I think like the Macarena is like head. Wow, that's not a great track. What's happening with it? When it gets up there. When it gets up there, it's like the IKs are freaking out. No Macarena, I guess. So we need like a basic dance. Oh man, I'm wearing this wrong. My whole head-mounted camera just like shifted down. Struggling today. So this isn't have to point it up as much anymore. Point it like a normal way. But yeah, this feels a little bit more natural. Yeah. That IRL Woody? Unfortunately, yeah. Cool. Yes, it's the IRL Woody. We don't do this often, but except when the situation calls. So we need to record dances for my dance game. I'm making a dance game. So, what's that going to be? You know, what are our dances going to be? Something like. And I'm realizing how much I dislike the new IKs that I put on this character. He's like better IKs. Something like that. I'm not recording anything yet. want to like record these successfully in batches. So yeah, so I have this trigger, and the trigger will start when I'm ready. So I'm kind of figuring it out. What is the exact, the exact situation? The other thing I could. So we're going to do the dab first because we were going to do a dab. That's not it. That ain't it.